Your credit score is a scouter. I can prove it in 5 minutes. And the man who built the scale never wore one. He had no reason to. If you have ever sat across from a loan officer who typed 3 numbers into a screen and decided what the next 30 years of your life would cost, you were watching someone read a power level. Section 1. Identification. Credit scoring doesn't ask permission. It scans you the moment you exist on paper. Watch what Frieza's army does. Every Saiyan born into the Empire is red at birth. A power level is assigned before they can speak. They don't apply for the rating. They are the rating. You don't apply for a credit file. The Social Security Administration issues you a number. Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion start a file. You enter the system at 0, and the system starts watching. You were scanned before you ever swiped a card. Section 2. The product. The first card always feels like a gift. The first scouter does too. Watch what happens when a Saiyan recruit gets his. The Frieza Force hands it to him, tells him it's his gear, tells him it makes him stronger to wear it, tells him the readings are for his protection. Capital One, Discover, Chase, pre-approved, $500 limit, no annual fee for the first year. The product is never the product. The reading is. The card is a sensor with a credit line attached. Section 3. The partner. Then the system gives you someone who believes in you. A parent who adds you as an authorized user. A spouse who co-signs. The credit builder loan with a partner bank. Watch how Vegeta walks Nappa onto the field. Ranked higher, Scouter humming at his ear, calling it mentorship. Frieza calls it pairing. For a while it feels like progress. Your number climbs because theirs did first. The partner makes leaving expensive. You cannot close the joint card without lowering your number. You cannot remove the cosigner without reapplying. You are now scored together. That is not a relationship. That is a reading. Section 4. The false floor. Then the system gives back. Just enough. 2% cashback. Free credit monitoring. Your score went up 12 points this month and a notification celebrated you. Vegeta's scouter chirps when his power level rises. He smiles. The system gave him a number. The number is bigger than yesterday's. He believes he is winning. Every sustainable rating system has a false floor. Without it, no one stays in long enough to be useful. The reward is small. It is not a return. It is the cost the system pays to keep you measured. Section 5. The visible success story. There is always one person who appears to have beaten the system. The credit hacker. 8 cards in good standing. Score above 800. Pulls travel rewards in business class. He posts the points balance. People send him questions. Vegeta is read at the highest tier of any scouter Frieza issues. Saiyan Prince. Elite class. He still wears the scouter. He still takes the missions. His readings serve Frieza's planet acquisitions. The credit hacker still has his mortgage rate set by the Bureau. He still cannot be approved without their number. He has not escaped the system. He has been promoted inside it. Section 6. The mission. Then the ideology arrives. Build your credit. Be responsible. Pay on time. Your number is your worth. A parent says it across a kitchen table. A finance app pushes a notification when your score moves 3 points. Frieza's army runs on the same script. Get stronger. Raise your power level. Honor the Empire. A Saiyan polishes the lens of his scouter before a mission. The soldiers who climbed inside it believed the number was theirs. The mission is built from something real. You should pay your bills. You should be reliable. That is what makes it work. The lie is what gets attached to the truth. The lie is that your access to housing, transportation, and emergency cash should be priced by an algorithm sold to lenders by a private company. The number is not your worth. The number is how cheaply you can be lent to. Section 7. The framework payoff. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau found that 26 million Americans are credit invisible. Another 19 million have files too thin to score. They are not failing the system. They are outside the scouter's range. The scouter does not see them, so Frieza's army cannot use them. You have been measured your entire adult life by a device you did not buy. Section 8. the founder. In 1956, two men in California built the scale. Bill Fair was an engineer. Earl Isaac was a mathematician. They incorporated Fair Isaac Corporation. They sold their algorithm to the credit bureaus. The bureaus sold the readings to the lenders. The lenders sold loans back to you. Fair Isaac does not have a FICO score the way you do. They sell yours. Frieza never wore a scouter. Fair Isaac doesn't carry a credit score. The men who build the scales don't get weighed. Your credit score is a scouter. Your scouter is a credit score. You did not apply for one. You got scanned.